Hi Kajal, how are you doing today?
Hi Ajay, I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks. So, what's up? What's keeping you busy these days?
I'm currently shooting for a new movie. It's a love story and I'm really excited about it.
That sounds interesting. What's the name of the movie?
It's called Magadhira. It's a remake of the Tollywood movie, Harsha. I play the lead role, which was originally played by S.S. Rajmouli.
Oh, I remember that movie. It was really good. I'm sure you'll do a great job in it.
Thank you so much, Ajay. So, what are you working on these days?
I'm taking a break from shooting for a while. I'm spending some time with my family and enjoying some downtime.
That sounds nice. Family time is always important. Speaking of family, what's your favorite thing to do with your family?
My favorite thing to do with my family is to go on vacations. We love traveling and exploring new places together.
That sounds like a lot of fun. What's your favorite place that you've visited so far?
My favorite place that I've visited is Dubai. I love the city's architecture, culture, and history. What about you? What's your favorite place that you've visited?
My favorite place is Goa. It's such a beautiful city, full of romance and charm. I would love to visit there again someday.
Goa is definitely a great place to visit. Well, it was nice talking to you Kajal. I hope you have a great day and good luck with your movie.
Thanks, Ajay. It was nice talking to you too. Take care and stay safe.